Oh. Hey YouTube, this is Honda Yamaha fan, and this is my RC helicopter. It's 3-channel, and it's a zengreh, I think. I don't remember. Some Chinese brand with a Z. And it flies pretty good. And I'm going to try to fly it one-handed. Might not work. But...
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Oh, my brother's going to hold it for me. Gotta let it sink. Flies pretty good, way better than a hefty heli, and I got it for $30, which is a pretty good deal. It's 3-channel and it's got reverse. And forward. Whoa. And up and down. Pretty awesome heli. I recommend everyone getting these. They're pretty cool.
You gonna land it?
Attempted. Landing fail. Oh well.
No, it passed.
Epic landing. Went through there. Get one.